Hello friends, how are you? What is ChatGPT? So let me clarify that the ChatGPT is a AI based text generator. In a very simple language, I can say it is a text generator which is based on artificial intelligence. Okay, so what actually it does and why people are talking lots about the ChatGPT? What is it? So first, let me introduce what is ChatGPT and who developed it. So ChatGPT is basically developed by OpenAI, and it is available free of cost for all for non-commercial use. Okay, so if you want to learn, if you want to use it for testing purpose, if you want to use how it actually works, it is open for all without any cost. Okay, but again question is what is actually it does. Okay, so let me give a basic example. Okay, see, if you're facing any issue for any equipment, like you have television, you have refrigerator, you have mobile, in fact, so if you face any issue you call the customer care. Okay, and the people who is sitting on the customer care side replies on your queries. Now if you I mean try to understand their the replies are very similar, that yes, let me check this. First you do this step, second you do this step, third you do a step. Okay, I will try to resolve your queries. This kind of reply you will get for any kind of queries. You put any problem to that guy, almost 90% of time you will get the same reply. So now people think that if the customer care executive has feeded some kind of reply, why not it should be done through the artificial intelligence. Okay, if the same reply can be fed in a machine, then the same reply they will get. Okay, suppose my query is my mobile network is not working. Okay, what reply you supposed to get from the customer care guys? They will say, okay sir, sorry for the inconvenience, let me check, give me some time. Okay, after 2 or 3 minutes he will tell, go to this setting, go to that setting, go to this, after doing this type this and restart the mobile. This is a standard reply. So suppose if this step I can feed in a machine, the purpose can be solved. Purpose is, I can get, I can solve the queries without involving any human. Okay, so this kind of thought has been developed. Now people have started working on this. Okay, and after lot of work and lot of data fed into the system, which is called model. Okay, so model needs lots of training data. I will take another session for the how actually artificial intelligence works. But for now you understand that any model, if you want to develop any model, what is actually model? Let me tell what is actually model. Model is a kind of program. You can say model is a kind of program which take the raw data as an input and provide you the expected output. Suppose you have created a model which predicts what is the next number. Okay, so if you feed the data as an input 2, 4, 6 into the model. Okay, and what actually you expect from the output? It should be 8. So who does this work? This work has been done by the model. Model not actually I can say think, but model actually works that if user feed 2, then 4, then 6, then of course next number should be 8. 2 incremental number is 2, so next number should be 8. So this is the work of the model. So model is basically takes the data as an input and process it and give you the output which should be expected, which should be the expected output which you supposed to get. Okay, so people started working on the model that if queries customer queries can be fed into the model as an input, model should get model should process that data and should get the best reply out of its database and replies to the customer as a output. Okay, so this is the whole process of working of AI. It's not that simple, but for now you can understand that this is how work AI work. Okay, from one side you feed the data as input, model will process it, and you will get the expected output. I am always saying that it is the expected output which you should supposed to get. So this is how AI works, and chat gpt is basically the part of AI. I cannot say it's a part of AI, but it is based on AI. It is a chat gpt is based on AI. It basically uses the NLP, which is natural language processing. Okay, I mean suppose you uh, type as a I mean your query, put suppose you raise a query that I am facing network issue. Okay, the model will do the same thing as the customer care guys does. Okay, it take your queries as input, process it, and provide the standard output in steps wise. Like, sorry sir, I am sorry sir for as you facing this issue, let me check after seconds, because that guy is a human, so he will take some time, but now this is done by the machine, so it will within a second. Okay sir, machine will reply, okay sir, go to this setting, do this, do this, do this, do this, and now you will get the expected output. So this is how chat gpt works. So is chat gpt useful only for customer care? No, it's not up to that. It can be used for filtration of comments, that uh, any vulgar comment or any comment which hits any community can be filtered through the chat gpt, through the natural language processing. Or but chat gpt is limited to the chatting, but NLP has a wide scope. Okay, NLP can analyze the sentiments. Okay, and since chat gpt is based on NLP, so NLP so sorry chat gpt is basically, and you expect some reply. This is what chat gpt is developed for. So it can be used for the uh, chatting with the customer care, or generating long text, or generating codes, scripts. Okay, articles, news articles, or analyzing the news articles. So this kind of works can be done by the chat gpt. It can do translations to from one language to any language, or it can generate lots of huge scripts. It can generate, you just feed some title, and based on that title it can generate a page of script. Okay, and actually then why people are why actually it is making a news, why people are, I mean, threatened of the chat gpt. So Why the people has fear of the chat GPT? Why actually? So let me clarify. Let me tell you that there is before 4 or 5 year ago, the customer care and you can say telecom sector, actually not telecom sector, telecaller, I can say telecaller has a huge area. I mean, it is an area which is generating lots of job. Okay, but now since it is now automating, it is now on the automation, and all the things is done by the systems, machines, computer, I can say. So there is a chances, or there is a possibility that there is a huge job cut in this sector. Okay, there will be a huge job cut, sorry, there will be a huge job cut in this sector, and this is the actually concern. Okay, but again, where there is a fear, there is a scope. Okay, so nothing to worry. If one way is closing, definitely there is a another way from where we can go. So it is not point of concern. If if the machine is cutting your job, then definitely machine is going to give you the job. Confused? Okay. Around 1890s, when the computer came in the market, lots people had the same concern that अब तो computer आ गया, now we will lost our job, everything is done by the computer. Who will I mean, from where we will get the job? But now see, IT sector has the most I mean job providing sector, because so development is not I mean taking your job, it is just transforming your job from this to that. Earlier people were used to typewriter, now they are using the computer. Okay, so again similar thing will going to happen, that sorry, similar thing is going to happen, that people is taking your sorry computer, I mean chat gpt. If chat gpt will take your job, then some another sector will open for you. Okay, so nothing to worry, everything is happen for benefit for us. So best of luck. Thank you. Thank you for being with us. We will meet in the next video with the some new topic. I'm really I really excited to interact with you based on I mean for the AI topic. So I will make a video for the AI. Okay, definitely I will make a video how actually AI works. Okay, so I will try soon, I will try to make the video on that topic. So thank you, we will meet you in next video.